Hi, I'm Chris Voorhees, Executive Sous Chef at Contemporary Catering. I'm just going to show you today how to make lemon-infused olive oil. First thing you want to do, get a nice little sauce pot. Turn on your heat, get your pot a little bit warm. Olive oil, extra virgin is what I prefer to use. Add your oil to your pot. Let that come up to temp a little bit. And what you want to take, I always take lemons, zest them down. You can take whole pieces like this. Try to take as much pith off of them as you can. The pith is the inner white part, just underneath the zest. It doesn't matter if you have a little bit of pith. It's not going to make it too much bitter at all. Once your oil comes up to temp, basically take as lemony as you want your olive oil to be. You can add all or just a little, add that to the oil. You'll hear it crackling and popping a little bit. And as with most other infused olive oils, I always like to add a little background flavor. In this case, I'm going to use some whole coriander seeds, which I think add a nice background complement to the lemon. So add some of those. You hear that oil crackling. Let this come up to temp a little bit more once it starts kind of boiling a little bit, and you hear the movement of the oil become more rapid. Basically, it's time to turn it off. What you're doing is steeping the flavor in the olive oil. Once you turn it off, much like as in like you're making tea, turn off the heat, remove your pot from the heat, and then basically as the temp of the oil comes down, you'll basically draw all the flavors out of the lemon and the coriander, and you'll have lemon infused olive oil.